What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we will be doing a review on the Ring Fit Adventure for Nintendo Switch. So, as you can see, this is a very coveted item at the moment, given this COVID-19 shelter in place. Lots of people are staying home and they're trying to find a way to exercise and play games, and this is like the perfect way to play games and exercise at the same time. So let's go right on ahead and check out the 360 around the box. So this is the artwork in front, and let's go ahead and look at the side. So I'm gonna get real close if you guys want to check it out. UPC code over here, and on the other side looks like it's more like that. So custom workout in some various languages, difficulty level, exercise stats, results, things of that nature. All right, moving on, just a Nintendo red logo over here, so nothing special. And over here, more artwork, so you could play like, I guess, various different types of game, adventure. Let me see if we get the text there. There you go. Yep, so you can see that. And here's artwork. Looks pretty cool. Yep, quick play. Yada yada yada. All right, I think that pretty much. So that's the front, and we did the walk around the edges, and then now let's go ahead and look at the back. Yep, so let's see, let me just move this back so you guys can see in its full glory. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just gonna get a close-up, and feel free to pause. So of course it comes with the game, right? And the reason why the box is so big is because of this ring over here and also the strap, but I think mainly because of the ring. That's why the box is square. And then you just move back a little bit, get on your feet and go save the world. And then in various other languages, so you have a leg strap, the ring as we talked about, and then you move your body. And there's lots of gameplay images over here. Let's see, flex to fight your enemies. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you could do like, looks like you could do like various different types of exercise over here. And then should you guys are interested, and feel free to pause it if you need to, so you can look at the fine print down here. Let me move that. All right, so there you go. This is 360 around the box. In the next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this and we'll check out what's inside. All right, so moment of truth. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what kind of goodies we have in here. Hopefully it's not a prank, right? So there you go. Oh my God, look at that. So this is the game, still wrapped in plastic. Still wrapped in plastic. All right, so that's the game. And can I lift this? Oh, it looks like I might have to lift this open first. All right, so lift that, and boom, the ring. So this is the ring. You get it out in plastic. So it's good. It's a good, probably, I don't know. If I eyeball it, looks like 12 inches of feet, maybe a little bit more in diameter. And then you have these grippy things. It's made of kind of like this. You know, those workout material that people wear, that's kind of what it feels like, kind of rubbery and Velcro-ish a little bit. Yep, it's pretty springy to hold on to. I guess you would do workout like that and stuff like that. And I guess this is the motion detector for the Switch to detect the motion. And you see there's the Nintendo logo emblem on the ring itself. Cool, so that's the ring. And then this is the leg strap that you strap on to your leg. And I think it's pretty easy. Yes, it's Velcro, so it's totally adjustable on how tight you need this be. You want this to be. So it's totally adjustable, so which is good. Made of very springy material, so totally adjustable for most people. So it's about feet long, I guess, or maybe a little bit more than that. of stretchy material that you can bind your legs on. And of course you put your, you know, Wii remote over here, and I think you put maybe another one. Yeah, there's the connector that you could put another one over here. Yep. So there you go, guys. A quick review on the Ring Fit Adventure. I am not going to do a product demonstration because I'm pretty sure other YouTubers and reviewers out there probably have a demonstration on that, and you guys, they probably do a way better job than I would. But if any one of y'all wants to see me do a product demonstration of this, I'm happy to do one in subsequent videos if there is interest to that. But I want to keep this review short just in case if you guys are kind of wondering if this is the right, you know, workout for you, or you know, or this is something that you are interested in. I just wanted to save you time on that. So if you happen to, you know, enjoy my review, be sure to comment, like, and definitely subscribe to my channel. And also there should be a buy link somewhere in the video description should you are interested in buying this. Right now it is still kind of hard to get this on Amazon. I did purchase this on Target, and I had to literally buy at 3 a.m. in the morning. I got an email 2 a.m. I happened to be awake, and I think around 3 a.m. I checked my email. I got this product, but it's pretty hard to get still at this moment. So I wish you guys best of luck in trying to get a Ring Fit Adventure. So other than that, Mr. Product Reviews out.